Now, this is what I'm talking about. Take a look at these amazing price pumps. Donald Trump on political pump has pumped by about 116% in the past 24 hours. Naib, John F. Kennedy, Martin Luther King, etc. Everything on this particular memecoin trading platform has pumped. So if you guys were a part of the YouTube episode that I did last time, by the way, you can check it out on my YouTube channel. I give you all the reasons why politicalpump.com is the only place that you're supposed to be, especially if you want to make money. And I also made mention of the fact that these guys are going to be launching fair launch meme coins every 72 to about 96 hours. Basically, between a threshold of about 24 to about 96 hours, you are going to be having a grand opportunity to invest in a freshly created meme coin. So now I know a lot of you guys are used to pump.fun, right? And I know a lot of you guys are very skeptical due to the fact that you've seen a lot of rag pulls, you have experienced a lot of losses due to the fact that you get analysis paralysis. There's a lot of metrics that you need to sort of figure out, and you know it's quite difficult to make money, especially when the price of Solana is going down. And this is one of the reasons why I am giving you an alternative to making money in cryptocurrencies other than relying on pump.fun, because the system on pump.fun is absolutely rigged against you. You are going to lose. And this is one of the reasons why a lot of you guys that watched yesterday's episode, or rather 2 days ago, right? You guys were a little bit skeptical and you wanted to observe, which is very good. It's always very important for you to sort of verify before you believe. Like in Russia, there was this amazing saying called "Daverai ni praverai." I think I butchered it. So basically what it means is, before you can sort of believe, you need to verify. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you another opportunity. You can observe this website for the next coming 2 weeks or for the next coming 1 week. But what's going to happen is the prices are going to continue going up and up and up. So far, these guys have only released 4 projects. So Martin Luther King has done very well. Right now, the current market cap of Martin Luther King is 16,000 US dollars. Okay, and these coins usually start at 40 cents. A lot of them usually start trading at 40 cents. Now, take a look at the price of Martin Luther King right over here. It's around $3.29. So now you tell me, if you were investing, and if you guys were invested from the get-go, right? If you go in, let's say for example, at 70 cents or below $1, you would have made a 200% profit. Okay, so if you take a look at the market cap, right? I know a lot of you detectives out there, because on my YouTube channel, there's a lot of people observing my YouTube channel. They are writing in their notepads. They're probably sending a lot of details to a lot of different entities. We know all about that. So I'm under a lot of scrutiny. A lot of you guys are definitely doing a lot of research about me. Okay, so anyway, with full transparency, political pump, I'm obviously, probably going to be helping them market as well. This is not my project. This is not something that I created. It belongs to the Wirecoin and the team. You guys do your own research. You're going to find out that the team is absolutely doxed, and they are absolutely killing it when it comes to meme coin projects. And this is one of the reasons why I really believe that political pump is definitely going to help you make money. So if you followed my advice, and if you took action, you could have made some money. Take a look at the price of Donald Trump. The price of Donald Trump is around $49.80. It's almost $50. So if you go back to my YouTube video, which was posted 2 days ago, right, you guys are going to discover that you missed an amazing opportunity. And if you continue procrastinating, and if you hate me so much, if you hate the titles of my YouTube channel, yeah, I do admit, my YouTube videos are a little bit overhyped, but hey, this is part of marketing. This is how the game goes. If I have boring titles, you guys are not going to be watching my videos. And what point am I going to have if none of the people around on the interwebs are not going to be able to discover and click on my YouTube videos? So this is one of the reasons why a lot of YouTubers tend to have sort of these crazy overhyped titles. It's just a survival mechanism, ladies and gentlemen. Do not hate the player, hate the game. This is how the YouTube space has become toxic. You have to be a little bit, you have to exaggerate a little bit in order for you to get the clicks. However, I believe I already give you a whole lot of value, and I give you a lot of money-making opportunities. And by the way, I'm not going to blatantly say exactly how you're supposed to rig the game, but if you guys have been following my YouTube channel, you already know how to rig the system, and you already know how to make a whole lot of money on political pump. All you gotta do is put one and one together in order for you to get the answer. So I have stopped trading on pump.fun, and I'm mostly concentrating on these upcoming meme coins because it's a well-known system. I already know that in the next 20 hours there's going to be a coin which is going to have a lot of volume. There's going to be a lot of buyers and sellers. There's going to be momentum. So all I have to do is position myself. So this is one of the reasons why I'm saying, look, participate in the next launch. Set your your trading instruments, get yourself ready, understand how to sort of participate. It's very easy. Just simply click on open. It's going to sort of take you to Meteora, and you're going to be able to sort of configure your wallet. It's pretty straightforward. If you've bought on pump.fun, you obviously can navigate your way around political pump. Moreover, the Telegram group to political pump is going to be in the description box below, so in case you guys have got any other questions, everything is going to be in the description box below. The other thing that I requested you to sort of observe in the last episode is I wanted you to take a look at the volume, because what's going to happen over time is we're going to see an increase in volume. We're going to see an increase in terms of the market cap, in terms of the projects, etc. And it really seems like Donald Trump, since it was like the first meme coin on this particular website, this is one of the reasons why it happens to have the highest market cap. Take a look at this, 248,000 US dollars. And if you take a look at these market caps, right, these coins have got a long way to sort of go. So there's a lot of opportunities out there. So this is one of the reasons why I decided to sort of only invest a little bit of money, like $20. Well, I'm not really putting in $20. I'm putting in slightly more than that. I'm putting in $100 in all the projects, because sometimes you never know which one is going to do very well. And this is one of the reasons why, to keep it well diversified, I'm going to be putting $100 in each and every project that is going to be coming up on political pump. So a lot of people don't really know about this platform. A lot of people don't really know about this new wave of investing in meme coins. This is how the meme coin trading sphere is evolving, and what's going to happen is there's going to be duplicates of political pump. There's going to be other political pumps that other websites that are going to be sort of specialized like in a specific niche. So if you take a look at political pump, right, it's mostly going to be about presidents all over the world. So if you take a look at the number of countries that we have all over the world, right, that gives massive opportunity for a lot of new projects that you can potentially make a whole lot of money on. So this is one of the reasons why you have to exercise patience. I understand, sometimes when you're trying to disrupt the world with new projects, right, there's going to be a lot of naysayers. There's going to be a lot of skepticism, if that's even a word. There's going to be a lot of people who are going to doubt, which is okay. It's okay to doubt. It's okay to verify. It's okay to sort of be in the background and see where a particular project is going. So one of the good things that I'm really excited about when it comes to political pump is, for the first time, I'm in early with regards to sort of identifying the new wave of opportunities in the market, if I can put it that way. Like I keep on telling you, right, if I had known about pump.fun early, like right after its inception, political pump was recently created. It's like really fresh. It's like less than a month. Imagine if you had the privilege of understanding how to rig pump.fun, how to sort of figure out what type of meme coins to sort of invest in and all that good stuff. If you understood how to manipulate and rig pumped up fund, right, you would obviously be making, you would have obviously made a whole lot of money. This time around, right, political pump gives us what we're supposed to look at. We do not have to break our backs and sort of like break our heads in terms of figuring out what coin is going to pump next. We already know in the next 20 hours CloudJ is going to be launching, and the more people who are going to sort of get to know about political pump, the more we start making money, like we are beginning to make money, right? Take a look at this. The performance of all these other projects has been stellar. They have been doing very well and they've been pumping. So what's going to happen is, over time, the more this website gets popular, the more these coins are going to pump. And remember, there's only 5,000 maximum supply. With the 5,000 maximum supply, I'm telling you, the prices are going to go crazy once people get to know about it. The thing is, a lot of you guys are followers. I want you to have, you see, when it comes to trading meme coins, right? In order for you to make money, you have to be a contrarian. You have to go where the crowd hasn't gone yet. If you are hearing about the meme coin, you are probably late. By the time you heard about Trump, not this particular Trump, right? The official Trump, the one that went to billions and billions of dollars, right? By the time you got to hear about it, right? You were too late. Okay, so this is one of the reasons why I'm pointing you in the right direction, and I'm telling you, look, I understand these things. I've been around for a long period of time, and I know where the markets are gravitating. Granted, when it comes to the meme coins game, right, I was pretty late. Let me just be honest with you, because I was like a Bitcoin maximalist. I was all about Bitcoin, Ethereum, all these top coins, but I understood that the game is rigged. The only true cryptocurrency, the only true fair cryptocurrency is Bitcoin, because Bitcoin has got no hidden token releases. Like, everything is in the halving and whatnot. We understand it has got like a finite number of tokens, 21 million. So what happened, right, after I sort of missed the Bitcoin move, right, I was like, okay, what are the next altcoins that I can sort of get in? That's why I started going into this particular rabbit hole of investing in a lot of altcoins, and trust me, I ended up losing a lot of money, because a lot of these meme coins had sort of crazy inflation, and they had token release dates that I didn't even know about. The initial investors that got in before the ICOs were making money on top of that. The game was absolutely rigged. You get my point? So this is one of the reasons why now I understand the game. Look, the strategy is make money elsewhere in terms of meme coin trading or whatever, rinse it back in Bitcoin when Bitcoin is in a bear market. You get my point? So whatever you're going to do, however you're going to make money, right, at the peak of the bull market, sell everything, wait for the Bitcoin absolute crazy long bear market, then put all your money in Bitcoin. That's how you're going to sustain your wealth in cryptocurrencies. All right, otherwise, if you're going to be invested in altcoins, trust me, your altcoins are going to get back to zero, because they've got crazy tokenomics. There's a lot of token release dates, and they've got crazy inflation. So this is one of the reasons why I'm saying, look, political pump is a new thing, and you already know what to do. Make sure you keep an eye on this website, because you're always going to be seeing an increase in volume, and the coins are going to be pumping. Of course, they're going to be having days when they're going to be dumping. You see, the thing about you guys is you just expect the markets to move in one direction, up. It doesn't work like that. There's going to be weeks where the price of these coins are going to go down, because the markets are breathing. That's how markets sustain themselves. You just can't have like a direct straight line. If there was a direct straight line, right, you guys would be saying, there's wash trading, etc. So, it's very difficult to please people, So sometimes as a YouTuber, there's a lot of judgment that we get a lot of threats, we get a lot of different stuff, so it's not really easy to like do these things. However, I hope I have been able to make you some money in the past month with all my strategies that I've given you. Like, I have literally poured out my heart. You guys already know how to rig the system. So this is one of the reasons why I'm saying, look, political pump is where it's at. Okay, so yeah, please let me know, did you participate in the previous launch? Martin Luther King, how was Martin Luther King to you? By the way, the market cap of Martin Luther King is only 16.74, and the initial price was around $40. The current price is around $3.35. So yes, I did technically help you make a 3x if you go in as early as you could. All right, and there's still a lot of room to grow. So you're going to see these coins pump, and they're going to continue doing very well. So yeah, that's all I had for you today. It's been your boy Muna, aka Beyond 10x, aka the hype man, for a good cause. So yeah, please let me know in the comment section, like, how are you surviving now that Solana and all the cryptocurrency meme coins have been stagnant for a while? Like, how are you keeping up? How are you making money and all that good stuff? Let me know in the comment section below. And what is your trading strategy at the moment? Have you tried political pump? Please let me know in the comment section below. Oh, and by the way, in case you guys are looking for like a very good trading bot, Sniperoo is where it's at. You can always configure your trading stop loss. This is definitely a must. Yeah, so if you guys are also looking for a very good platform to trade on, Axiom Pro, in case you guys are really interested in sort of hunting for meme coins, axiom.pro.com is where it's at. So all the links are going to be in the description. If you use any of my links, I'm gonna get a kickback because I happen to have referral codes for all these things. So yeah, thank you very much, and my apologies for the bad audio. I'm on the road right now, so everything is totally mobile for me. So yeah, my apologies.